Today, I will marry the love of my life, the woman I prayed for, the woman who always tries her best to understand me, the woman who always sees the best in me, the woman who chose me when I literally have nothing but dreams. Thank you for taking your chances with me and believing in me.
You had almost 10 years para magbago ang isip sa akin. Well, I'm glad that you didn't. Thank you for being here today.
Kaya kahit anong hinarap nating pagsubok nitong nagdaang dekada, kailanman hindi ka nagduda.
We are here today saying our vows to each other, back to back, just like saying, I got your back, you got mine.
Sa pagkumpas ng iyong kamay, aking landas ginagabay, nag-iisang tiyak sa 1,000 duda.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa iyo for being so supportive of me.
Magluluksa kung puso ko
Being so proud to call me yours. For always making me feel important. Salamat sa lahat ng effort mo para mag-work ang ating relasyon, lalo na noong mga taon na magkalayo tayo sa isa't isa.
hahanating kita.
Para manatili kayo pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag paghiwalayin ng tao, be partners for life. Ang mag-asawa, ang babae na para sa lalaki na pinagbuklod ng Diyos ay para maging magkatulong.
I promise to work for our love every day and to have faith in your love through all our life's hardships and joys.
At kaliwa kung timog man o hilaga, ang bawat daan ko ay patungo, ay pabalik sa'yo. Kay tagal
And as I take this journey, I know it wouldn't be easy. It wouldn't be perfect, but I know it will be worth it because I'm taking every step with you by my side. Mr. Z, I am all yours now and forever. Good luck sa'yo. Nagmamahal, your soon-to-be Ginang Z.
Wow! Thank you po, tita. Ay, mami na po.
Dear Pao, as a parent, we are happy to see that our son is so happy with you. We are very lucky that our son has chosen a wife like you. God bless your marriage. I love you, Mommy. And thank you po. Thank you po.
hanatin kita. Hanap kita. Maligaw man at mawala, at umikot man sa kawalan, kahit sa bawat kailan, sino't saan, ikaw lamang
And today, I vow to always love you, respect you, trust you. I vow that I will always be faithful to you. See you sa altar mamaya. Maghihintay ako. I love you, babe. I love you, Mrs. Sapanta.
ang